You know how Santa checks us twice? Well, we've checked these protective coatings 1,000 times.
So our customers' critical assets stay reliable through the holidays and beyond.
Thanks to our year-round dedication to asset vitality, our customers' process plants are running smoothly.
Which means everyone can enjoy their holiday break with a peace of mind.
From fire heaters to process vessels, we've optimized everything to peak efficiency.
Because great preparation means a worry-free holiday for everyone. With over 3,000 projects completed across over 30 countries, IGS ensures your assets are protected so you can focus on what matters most.
Here's to another year of keeping your mission-critical equipment running efficiently, sustainably, and reliably.
Happy holidays!